Welcome. If you've noticed that some Snapchat notifications are coming through silently and you prefer to get alerted instead, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to change your other messaging silent notifications into alert notifications on Snapchat directly from your phone settings. First, open your phone settings app. From there, find and tap on apps. This section holds all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through your list of apps and tap on Snapchat. This will take you to the app-specific settings. Once inside Snapchat settings, tap on Notifications to view all the notification options available for the app. Now, look for notification categories and tap it. This menu is where you can manage different types of notifications differently. Under the section labeled Other Messaging, locate Silent Notifications and tap it. Here's where the magic happens. Finally, switch the notification setting from silent to alert. This change makes sure that when you receive these types of messages, those that were previously silent, you'll get an audible alert, vibration, or whatever alert method you have configured on your phone. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure you never miss important Snapchat messages hidden in silent notifications again. This update is especially helpful for managing your notifications in a way that suits your lifestyle and keeps your focus intact without unnecessary silent interruptions. Remember, tweaking your notification settings this way only affects the other messaging category. You can always explore other categories inside Snapchat's notification settings to customize your experience even further. Thank you for watching.